Well, that sucked. I just lost that footage. Well, let's go again. All right, everyone. So, as you can see, the CMF Watch Pro 2 did just hit a low battery state to where I had to put it on the charger. Now, I kind of messed up my initial recording, but we were going to do 20%, but when I left today, the watch was at 28%, and I was like, okay, I'm going to miss the 20% mark, so I might as well just run it down to 5%. So it hit 5% at 5:25 this evening. Okay? So that means the first initial battery life run for the CMF Watch Pro 2 was almost 3 days because I took it off the charger at 6 o'clock Friday evening, and you can see I put it back on the charger at about 5:25 Monday evening. So it was almost 3 days. I missed 3 days by just under an hour. But I lost the original footage because I accidentally put my camera into slow motion video without realizing it. Okay, but y'all are gonna have to just take my word for it. I did indeed run it down to 5%, and I put it on the charger here at 5:25. I'll do my best to make sure I don't make that mistake again. But I'll also go ahead and throw up how long it took the watch to charge from 5% to 100%. I'll throw that up in post, as I always do with these update slash charging test videos. And then also, the audio for this evening's video is coming through the microphones on the CMF Buds Pro 2. So let me know what you think of the audio coming from the microphones on the CMF Buds Pro 2. And this evening's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Pixel 6a in 1080p. All right? I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, or as quick as I can make it anyway, and hopefully I don't make any more mistakes next time. Hope you guys and gals found it helpful, and I will see everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. And you know what? Since I made the mistake and missed the 20% mark, we're gonna readjust the battery charging and the battery and charging metrics. So we're gonna do this from 5% all the way up to 20%. So typically I do 20% to 100, that's number one. 15% to 100, that's number two. 10% to 100, that's number three. And then 5% to 100, that's number four. We're just going to put it in reverse. So 5% to 100 will be number one, 10% to 100 will be number two, 15% to 100 will be number three, and then 20% to 100 will be number four. So that's what y'all can expect moving forward with these battery slash charging test videos for the CMF Watch Pro 2. All right. Hope everyone is having a great evening. Once again, I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.